Recently, I replaced the battery on an iPhone X for the first time. And one thing that I've experienced while replacing iPhone batteries is uh, even if you purchase, in my case, I purchased this Owlbear battery with pretty decent reviews, 167 reviews. I'm assuming these reviews are legit. Even with the good reviews, what's annoying is I received the battery, did the replacement, and the battery didn't work. I unhooked the new battery, hooked the old battery, and the iPhone worked again. And so, even with good reviews, you can still receive a bad battery. So, that's the annoying thing about buying off market batteries. I've had this happen multiple times, not just from Amazon, but I purchased batteries for like an iPhone 6 or iPhone 7 off of eBay, and it seemed like the reviews were good. And then when I got it, the battery didn't work well or didn't hold charge. And so that's the that's my anecdotal story about buying third party batteries online. It's like even with reputable reviews, you might get a bad battery, and that's normal. So I would suggest purchasing from purchasing somewhere where you can do easy returns. Amazon is always easy if you have the free returns sign over here. Uh, Even eBay has free returns, but you have to make sure it mentions free returns, no cost to buyer. So just wanted to make that word of warning. I haven't changed an iPhone battery in a long time, and it really bummed me out that I thought I bought a decent third party battery, and then in the end I had to I took everything apart, and then I had to wait, and then I had to order another battery, and it was kind of a bit stressful. And so that's it. That's my battery experience with iPhone batteries. Just maybe be prepared to return your battery because it might be defective.